Hi guys, got a minute? Today we're making delicious fruit explosion muffins loaded with fresh strawberries and blueberries. These delicious muffins are bursting with vibrant flavors and packed with vitamins and fiber. Let's get started. Place a half a cup of softened butter or coconut oil in a mixing bowl and add a third a cup of sugar. I'm using organic raw sugar. Then cream it well. Now add 1 egg. And the eggs I bake with are usually always at room temperature. Mix it well, and then set this bowl aside. In a small bowl, we're going to sift together 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Add half of the flour mixture to the butter and mix. We're using a half a cup of milk in this recipe, but we're going to add half of it now to this flour mixture and mix it well. Add the remaining flour. And now add the remaining milk. Mix until it's well combined. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Fold in 3/4 cup of chopped strawberries. Feel free to substitute raspberries if you like. And 3/4 cup of blueberries. Fold in well. Place your liners in your muffin tin and fill each one with batter. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Let sit for 10 minutes, then move them to a baking rack to cool completely. These muffins are an ideal choice for your breakfast or a snack with your coffee or tea. Each bite reveals a juicy explosion of fresh fruit.